What if I tell you you can turn this into this and then into this without knowing any graphic design, animation, or code? In this video, I will show you how. Let's get started. If you click this video and you are interested in AI tools, so you're probably already familiar with Midjourney. It's a tool that creates images based on a prompt, but sadly it's not free anymore. I had the opportunity to create few images with it before, but now every time I try to create something, it tells me their server isn't free to generate free user requests. So I looked for an alternative and I actually found a really cool AI image generator called leonardoai. It's completely free.
For free! This is sick!
All you gotta do is sign in with your Google account and it will give you 150 credits to use every day. So after you are done with the login phase, you will move to this page where you can see other people's creation. You can click on the picture and see the prompt they used to create this image. But what we are going to do is create our own image. We go to AI image generation and we are going to create a Pikachu. Pikachu sitting on a chair and dollar bills falls from above and all around him. And we click on generate. It will cost us credit to generate these images. And once it's done and we have our pictures, we pick the one we liked and we can download it to our computer. And if you find this video helpful, a share and a sub to the channel will be amazing. Then after we save the image to our computer, we need to go to our second AI tool called Pika Labs. And then you press on join the beta. For this tool, you must have a Discord account. So if you don't have it, go to discord.com, download, sign up, and you will be able to use this tool for free.
For free? Sounds good to me.
You join the beta. It will ask me to go to my Discord to continue. So once you are done, you will be moved to their Discord channel. You will have to agree to their server rules. And then you just have to go and pick one of these rooms. We will pick generate one. You can see people here generating their own videos. And then what you have to do is to do /create. And then you can create a video using your own prompt without any image, but we will do the second option. We will use the image we created before. So we press on +1, image, and then we are going to use the Pikachu image. And in the prompt, we are going to tell the AI what we want this image to turn into. So Pikachu sitting on a chair and dollar bills flying around him. We click enter and now we wait.
A few moments
so after
later.
like 20 seconds the video is ready. I got a ping from the server. Let's see what the AI made us.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Well, it did what we asked it to do. It's kind of cool. If you don't like the result, you can always ask the AI to recreate it or edit your prompt and recreate it. And then we just click download and done. It's saved on our computer and we can do whatever we want with it.
Easy!
If you enjoy my content, a like and a comment can help a lot to a growing channel. Until next time, see ya.